Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi. I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Izumi Recycle Environment Park. Izumi Recycle Environment Park is Izumi City, Osaka. This park was once a place where industrial waste was buried. It opened in 2001 and now welcomes about 350,000 visitors every year. Today, it's a beautiful park that is loved by many people. The best thing about this park is the flowers that bloom in every season. In January, you can see narcissus flowers. In February, plum trees bloom in the orchard. In March, yellow canola flowers cover the fields. Spring brings tulips and moss phlox. Summer brings sunflowers, and autumn brings cosmos and roses. There is also something beautiful to see no matter when you visit. The theme of this park is recycling, nature, and people living together. Most of the benches, posts, and other items in the park are made from recycled materials. This park matches the ideas of the SDGs, which are global goals for better future. Visitors can learn about the environment just by walking through the park. Inside the large park, which covers about 76,000 square meters, there is a flower farm, a herb garden, a Japanese garden, and a sports ground. You can enjoy sports, walking, and looking at flowers all in one place. On weekends, an open cafe and a fresh vegetable market are also open. These events make the park a lively place for the local community. The best part is that entry and parking are both free. The park is also barrier-free, so everyone can visit safely and comfortably. Families, seniors, and photography lovers all enjoy this park. To get there, take the Senboku Rapid Railway to Izumi Chuo Station. Then take a Nankai bus for about 30 minutes and get off at the no.2268 stop. From there, it's a 50-minute walk to the park. If you drive, you can use a free parking lot. This park shows us that a place that was once used for waste can become a treasure for the community. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.